Replacing the on-off switch 4290.029. Remove the rear cover as demonstrated in the 1-minute masterclass video removing the rear cover. Remove the 2 screws holding the upper display mount. Turn over as demonstrated to gain access to the underside of the mount. Pull off the cables. Squeeze both locating tabs and push the old switch out. Note that the temptation is to replace the switch without removing the upper display mount, but access is tight and fiddly. Removing the upper display mount speeds replacement and removes the chance of damage to other components. Reassembly is the reverse of dismantling.